Today I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. There are various ways of making one, but this method that I'm going to show you is very easy. You want to start by laying your yarn flat, then grab the tail end, flick it over to make a loop. Now flip that loop over across your long yarn. Now you want to take your hook, fish out this yarn in the middle and just pull on both ends. And there's your slip knot. You don't want to make it too tight or too loose. It wants to just be snug on your hook, going easily up and down. So I'll show you that again. Lay your yarn, take the tail end, flip it over to make a loop, and now flip that loop across your long yarn. Take your hook, fish out the center bit, grab both ends and just pull.